Exceptional. I am a regular at this particular location. I have to commend the staff for doing such an amazing job providing an excellent service to their customers. The cleaners are the best part. They are very professional, polite and doing an excellent job cleaning up the room. This is a great and peaceful place to stay if you are in the Duluth, Georgia area. Good job guys, A-OK, A-OK. Exceptional, great place. Exceptional all decor. Very clean. Great place to stop by, it was a great experience. Value for money, good value for money considering breakfast. Good bang for your buck. Pretty nice place for not a whole lot of money. Very good, it was straight.